Okay, I want to take a minute to talk about doing recommendations because you've probably by now watched the recommendation posts on Teachable. There are so many ways to do recommendations. When I first started, we used to do wish lists. Recently, we've switched again to something similar to that. So I just want to show you a couple of different options for recommendations. So back here in Teachable or in Trello, we've got our recommendation post that we're going to copy the words and this graphic onto our party. Remember, you do need to edit any words, so make sure you read over it before you post it. I'm going to copy that, and then we're going to go to that person's party page. So I want to show you just a couple different things that I do. The first thing, so this is Heather's party. The first thing I do is you can comment them in the actual recommendation post, in the comments. Sorry, I have to scroll here. I have created a couple little graphics for myself to showcase my kiddos, their ages, and what books they like. If you upload it, Facebook now does this really pretty graphic together so that people can say, oh, my kiddo is also this age, maybe they would like that. I also really like to put myself out there and my kids because I consider a family business, so I like to present my face. Okay, let's go here into the comments. We had a lot of comments on this party. So you can see here that someone shared about their kid, and then I went ahead and commented. I added the link. Facebook's been a little weird about that lately, so I have just been recently sharing the graphic, not the link. And we can look at a party like that. So I go back, I read what they say, and I say why they would like it. So Caden here was really into sports and mysteries. So I suggested this new sports book that's on facts. I say why I think he would like it. It's full of facts, 40 different sports, and I include the link. I also think because he likes math, he would enjoy this book as well. If it doesn't pop up a graphic like this, when you share the link, you can always just copy a graphic. So beginning reader, you know, what she might be interested in. This is the level 4 example. It's on an adapted classic. Now, if you don't know all of this stuff, you may think that like, oh, Brittany knows everything. This looks amazing. No, I stole it from the website. So let's go look at the Secret Garden. So I just go to the Secret Garden. Okay, it tells me about the story, and then right here, this is what I copied and pasted, level 4. So you don't have to know everything to be able to give the good recommendations. So first, utilize the website. Go to the website, see what it says. I just literally type in what they're looking for. So fish. Okay, we've got all kinds of different stuff. I can look through it. Maybe I don't know what's inside this specific book. Use the product knowledge group to search in, ask a question, or if you can't find something, or use the search bar there. So that's one way I do recommendations. The other way that I do recommendations is I've been doing this 4 photos together. Now, recommendations is going to take you the bulk of your time for this party. So you don't want to spend a lifetime with like 20 books. Don't do that because you will spend so much time and they may not purchase. So it's more likely that they purchase if they get book recommendations, but they may not. So you don't want to spend, 20 minutes on one person, especially if you've got 10 or 12 to do. Okay, so I loved this party because they shared pictures of their kiddos in the comments. So I just went ahead and added the pictures of their kiddos right in there. I always try and do at least 2 books per kid. So that's why you might see this little plus there. So you can see there I shared a couple. And then I just literally copied and pasted from what they had said below. And I said, thanks for sharing about blah, blah, blah. These are why I like them. I don't go into every single book. I just say, for this kid, check this one. For this kid, check this other one. The pictures are there. They can see the rest. They can go to the website. Then you can also say, feel free to PM me if you need more suggestions, because you definitely want to start that private conversation. That is a great way to get hostesses in the future. And to do that, you need to connect via Messenger. So this is just another way you're putting yourself out there to get them to message you. So that is another way you can do recommendations. Let's pull up a party, let's see, that I did the other day that's just pictures. Let's see. Let's try looking at this one. No, I didn't include their kids, but I must have done that. But you can still also just do it in the comment section. But you don't want to just say, here's a book. You want to make sure you're saying, like, your kid likes math, so this is the book that I'm recommending. One of the ways you can do this is, like we did with one of the other videos, you can just go to the website, click on the graphic to make it bigger, copy it, go back to the event, paste it, until you have all the ones in here if you don't want to save them to your desk drive. So that's kind of everything about recommendations. Let me know if you have any questions.